We actually opened up down here in Pocomoke, Maryland, and Scott Kendall joined the company. And Scott was a F-16 pilot, so he had already been in the fight and he knew what it meant. He was just incredibly talented. And then we started to build other talented engineers around him. Once we discovered that we were good at it and we got our first DARPA contract, it was this idea of helping those in the fight. And when we got into Dyneema and some of the UHMW fibers, we knew right away, the first shot down the gun tunnel, we were like, oh my God, that's gonna change everything. We got involved with the Army Corps and Operation Backstop, and so we're like, wow, people are firing rockets in on the green zones, and we can create roofs that stop that and save hundreds of people at a time. So, as that changed and all of a sudden you're like, wow, I'm in the fight. We got a DX-rated program. We built the building that's behind me, in like 6 months, and we installed these giant presses. And take all that aside and you take the excitement and the adrenaline rush, and it boils down to this incredible responsibility for our customers and who we're working for. This is how you can help bring these people home to their families. For me, our customers got a name the day I met Octavio Sanchez, and he was at a DARPA Tech show in Los Angeles, and there was this one man in the corner that had a suit on, didn't have a nose, was burned over 60% of his body, and he was the day that I really met our customer. And he said to me, my life changed in 10 minutes. And we have literally been in a hurry since then, because I realized 10 minutes matters. In 10 minutes, we could fundamentally change another human's entire existence on the planet. It's all about getting those products out and making sure the products are the best in the world so that these guys can go do their job, which is a lot harder than ours.